leaves aren't as crunchy as the rain seed. It's like what now? Toes? Well, hold on. We found the legendary toe tree. Big toe, ring toe, middle toe, next to small toe, pinky toe. Wow. Tree. Yeah, it's a darker barked one with the, and it goes up and has all those twists. It stinks the loose leaves on the ground though, because you can't see what's under them. You can easily step in a hole. That tree has a mount. This bark's worse than its bite though. Dogwoods.
Where people overwinter their boats. You have to take them out to feed them.
Oh yeah.
Drive them around.
Keep them circulating. Oh my goodness. So while hiking we came upon this tree. It's connected down here. And then these three are way super high. Actually all four pieces do. Look at that. Isn't that, oh man, that is cool. Say again?
Scourge of the earth.
Scourge of the earth. Oh. Yeah, the first one's kind of a doozy. Oh. Well, which one went out? 360 or this one? 360. That's cool. Nah. So outside the tea room, found this very old water fountain. Apparently somebody doesn't know it's not in service. I don't wonder if the tea room's even open. Look at the lamps. We'll find out. Oh, that's beautiful. That would be the second wedding we've seen on our park stuff. Yeah, let's find out if they're open. They may not be open. They'll be closed for a private event. It's tea room. Wonder if they actually serve tea. Yeah, maybe like the old dining hall, and now they use it for events. I'll find out. We'll just look. Oh, they're setting up stuff in there. Well, neato. Yeah. Just want to look. Definitely don't want to be around when the wedding starts.